Stolzberg. We're here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with the one and only Frankie the Baker. And you are baking up something pretty special today.
Yes, so we're gonna make our pistachio flavored butter cookies. We're gonna have our almond paste, butter, a little sugar, and you're gonna make this mix for a little bit. So now you're gonna add in your vegetable shortening, drop your egg one at a time, scrape the bowl down a little bit. And now you get all the lumps out. You add your flavor, vanilla, butter, almond, lemon, and orange, just a dab. And then we go with the pistachio cream.
Ah.
You always want to scrape the bottom of the bowl or else you're going to get little lumps.
You don't want that.
You don't want that.
Nobody wants a lumpy pistachio cookie.
You're going to add your flour.
All day. I could smell it all day.
You got all-purpose flour and pastry flour. All right, you whip it up a little, hold it, squeeze and pull up.
Squeezing? Tell me when to pull
Go
up.
down, go down, go down, go down. Stop squeezing, pull up.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
How you like that?
I'm so proud of myself.
Look
I
at her
did
face.
it. Oh, it's beautiful.
So you're gonna grab the pistachio nuts. I think I showed you this once before. Look at that, and they stick.
Wow, that is.
Bingo. We're gonna make some with raspberry. Squeeze.
Oh, you
Pop
like
it
go in.
That's it. So we're gonna go in at 350, 9 minutes at this size. Here they are.
Ah, look at that. This looks amazing and couldn't be easier. So head to our website, newsfelt.com, try it.